Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi Hakerdob yeng jongpi
Ke MIT University of Meghalaya kemudian hak cakap internet juga mau kasiang Shillong hak sautri unak pra ada posau Ecology Convocation kebesan hak berubah RV Warjri lolong kemukongsan hak negasngi dan ke kejunan lang jumba Hailu Demisi nak embassy jang Federal Democratic of Ethiopia Wahannington Kananura Balonwa Baker nak High Commission jang Uganda kibla airu ke jengkit bokit riang higi Samla Pule kibdang pendap ya ke jeng Pule Vice Chancellor Jang School ba Dr. Malahar Pangrikar belapan pau jus ngongu yunong seng juga MIT Group of Institutions ubadan kejengyo ijnga barulai khubleiru yu Executive President juga MIT Group Dr. Sunil Karan ubadan kejeng temu bukongsan ban kinti yu ke school ba syaki kedan basyalor.
The ecology here, the environment here, it doesn't fit to bring in big manufacturing plants. Only yesterday, in fact, there is an event here. In fact, I would request those who are visitors, there is something at the Wart Lake here in Shillong. It's a scenic place. There is something called winter tales going on, which you will see some of the, in fact, everything, the stalls they have there is all biodegradable. So the emphasis being made is that that we are going to promote this idea of whatever the unique ecosystem of this part of the Northeast India and Meghalaya, and make it into an attraction for for let's say for tourism, for ecotourism. In fact, I had to speak on ecotourism, and it is a big challenge because again at the same times we have also a lot of mines here, coal mines in a big way. It's being banned, but there's a lot of illegal, what they call mining still going on. So these are the challenges we face. And for those who have graduated, who have earned your degrees, in fact, those who belong to Meghalaya, locally here, you can see that, you have to apply your mind because otherwise you will have to go for jobs outside the state. Because there's not much of opportunities here also. So this is because the very system here, the land holding system is a bit complex here, which makes investment also not so easy to happen. So these are some of the things which I want to put across to to those who have earned the degrees in particular, and at the same time. While correct, this institution is to award degrees. It's correct, but don't forget that at the end of the day, it's also how you think. Now, for instance, I just want to, that it is said that nowadays the challenge nowadays is that. Science is gaining more knowledge than what society and human beings can gain wisdom. So the point I'm trying to make is that you have to apply your mind. In fact, it's okay, earning degree is one thing. And then there are people who have, in fact, even in the world of technology, who dominated the world of technology. If you must have heard of Steve Jobs. Have you heard of Steve Jobs? I'm addressing this to those who have earned this. You must read about him because he went to a college and he didn't even complete college at all. But he's the one who founded the Apple, one of the things which the laptops and the rest of the digital media that we are using now is because of him. And at the same time, you've heard of Bill Gates also. Of course, Bill Gates went to Harvard for a while, and of course he dropped out of Harvard and then started the Microsoft. Now we have, of course, Microsoft being led by Satya Nadella, who's an Indian. And so that is, I just want to take your mind, beyond this Pynkup is also beyond Meghalaya, beyond to think of the rest of the world and how it can impact on you, how can you apply your mind, and then at the same time take advantage of it to convert it, if possible, into a livelihood, compassion or passion come livelihood, because that's the way you will enjoy your life forward.
Unwavering commitment and the dynamic leadership that has been instrumental in elevating the stature of MIT University of Meghalaya. This is the moment of immense pride as we celebrate not just the academic achievement of our students, but also the core values and aspirations that defines our institution.